Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll be learning about pandas pivot table function. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to explain the use of pandas.pivot table function and implement it. So let's see how pandas.pivot table function is implemented in order to find mean sale price with respect to the condition of the house and zip code. This time we simply create a new variable as zip_condition_sale2. Then we call the pandas.pivot_table function, and inside this function we pass some arguments, that is data, which represents the data set. Index, which defines how the results will be indexed row-wise. We use the condition of the house and zip code here. Values which specify the column we have to perform this action on. We use sale price here. AGG_func, which defines how we want to aggregate the results like mean, median, minimum or maximum. As we are looking to calculate mean, therefore we use the np.mean here. Let's run this cell and look at the results. The formatting of the output is same as pandas.groupby, but this looks far more impressive than what we saw before. We can see that the results are very well organized in a data frame. The indices are the condition of the house containing every zip code. The value filled in the data frame are the mean of the sale price with respect to the unique combination of the zip code and the condition of the house. But as we discussed, there is another way of representation of the same information which is more intuitive than this one. Let's see how it looks. For this, we declare another variable called zip_condition_sale3. We again use the same pandas.pivot function, but this time we make a little change. Instead of passing both zip code and condition of the house in index parameter, we pass the condition of the house into a separate parameter called columns. So let's see how the output looks like. We can clearly see that this representation is much better organized and compact. Here, along the different rows, we have the zip codes, and along the different columns, we have the condition of the house. And corresponding to both of them, we have the mean sale price. Also, you may notice the presence of NaN values in the output. It is possible that certain zip codes may not contain houses of all the condition types, and hence there is no corresponding value for such combinations which are labeled as NaN. I personally prefer to use pivot table as it has shorter or more comprehensible code as compared to when we used simple Python. Also, I prefer it over groupby due to cleaner representation as it uses a data frame and can represent very complex aggregations in a simple, intuitive manner. So that's it in this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will talk about another advanced function of pandas library, that is pandas.map. See you there.